Well guys, there you go. We finally made the robot kit. Got my grandsons with me. They're actually in the bath at the moment because there was colouring in to do. So we've got to get the felt tip pens off them. But yeah, it worked. From Wilko. 5 wind-up robots. We had fun.
Hey, thanks for watching. There's plenty of videos on my main channel with more added daily, so don't forget to subscribe and enable the notifications to keep you up to date with my new releases. You can help keep my channel running by donating $1 on Patreon to buy me coffee. You can always find more information in the video description. Thanks again for watching.